my name's Morenike Magbagbeola and I am a research fellow here at WEISS. So currently I'm working on developing a robotic platform that helps keep organs alive ex vivo. It's with the hope that we can test certain pharmaceutical or interventional therapies on live organs as opposed to in patients. So typically within surgery, you'll have, say during transplantation, they'll put organs to be transplanted, say a liver, inside one of these machines and monitor the overall health before transplanting it into the patient. So this just ensures that any certain, let's say nicks or cuts that happen during the procedure will be remedied before putting it into the patient. However, it's useful for researchers who are developing drugs and nanoparticle deliveries and want to understand the flow dynamics of the liver to have a machine like this that can work with their equipment. But unfortunately the equipment that's available is extremely expensive and is often not adaptable to different research needs. So we needed a low-cost, versatile machine that could be integrated with different machines that are typically used in research. So that's what we started to develop. It's hard to explain, but I love the collaborative nature of the job. So when I was hired, I came in for the specific purpose, build this machine. But since I've been here, there's been a lot of encouragement to collaborate and have my own research direction that I can choose and steer and clinically translate. So I'm actively seeing benefits with each experiment that we're doing that will be useful to clinicians and doctors and researchers later on. So because of this, we have an incredibly multidisciplinary team. I'm not just learning about robotics and engineering, I'm learning about medicine and drug discoveries, and it's really interesting actually. So coming from a non-science background like that, it's useful to understand these things. My best advice would be, there are a lot of mentors in this field, but though not always visible, it's worth seeking them out. More often than not, people are very friendly and they want to help you succeed, and getting advice directly from them is often the best way to do it, and it makes you feel more comfortable and confident within this sphere. So it's one thing being encouraged to get into a space like this as a woman, as a person of colour, as any minority group, but there's another thing to stay within it and feel supported in yourself. So having those visible people, going to them and approaching them is probably the best way to survive in this field.